Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching Fruitake. So lots of strange things are happening in OnePlus community. These are my two OnePlus devices, OnePlus Nord 5 and OnePlus 11R, running with the May B60 P02 and June SOTA update B80 P02 respectively. Yesterday before the start of July, surprisingly both devices received this new incremental July SOTA update B90 P02 with the size of around 300 MB. The OnePlus Nord C5 and Nord C4 have also reportedly received this update. This update doesn't have big changelog, but devices with the inbuilt OnePlus Dialer have received an amazing new feature, along with the new OnePlus Photo app feature and stability improvement. So let's check out what's new in this update. Before proceeding, please like, hype and share this video to support our channel. Now without further delay, let's get started. Both of my devices are updated. Let's first check out the software version of OnePlus 11R. The software version is still OxygenOS 16.0.5 v700. Only SOTA number has changed to B90P02. Previously it was B80P02. The version details have also been updated. The strange thing is that the security patch is still from old May 2026, even though we received the July SOTA update. I can't understand the strategy behind the OnePlus software development and such negligence, especially when devices are still running with 1 month old security patches while Google is ready to release July security patches. Another strange thing is about the OnePlus Nord 5. This device already received major OxygenOS 16 update version 16.0.5 v1002 with the May SOTA B60P02, and now it has been directly upgraded to July SOTA B90P02. Version details have been updated with the same July SOTA information, but the security patch on this device is also from previous month, dated 1st June 2026. I hope OnePlus start providing the latest security patches with its monthly SOTA updates by releasing them just 4-5 days late during first week of every month. Anyways, this update brings some amazing features, especially a new feature in OxygenOS Dialer. However, this feature is only available on OnePlus devices having OnePlus Dialer such as OnePlus Nord 5. When you edit any contacts profile in this version, you get completely new editing screen. It has two pages. The first page contains the profile picture editing options, while on the second page, you get edit options for caller ID poster image. For profile photo, you can pinch to zoom in or out for the contact profile picture. In the same way, you can zoom in or out for the poster image. You also get the new depth effect option at the bottom of editing page if you select the image supporting it. By selecting use profile picture, you can use default profile image as a caller ID poster. On the profile photo editing page, using the change image option, you can choose different images also. New caller ID with the depth effect for the contact image looks very nice for both incoming and outgoing calls. Next is a new feature for OnePlus Photo application. If we are scrolling forward through images and delete any image, the next image will be automatically displayed. Similarly, if you are scrolling backward and delete any image, the previous image is automatically shown. However, sometimes this feature doesn't work exactly as mentioned in the changelog. Devices that don't have OnePlus Dialer, instead they have Google Dialer such as OnePlus 11R, only receive the new OnePlus Photo application feature in this update that I shown you earlier. The new OnePlus Dialer editing screen is not available on these devices. Apart from that, there are no other noticeable changes in this update. OnePlus has only made stability and the performance improvement for all devices. This update has also started rolling out to some other devices such as OnePlus Nord C5 and C4, and it should be available soon for all eligible devices. The OnePlus 12R and 13R still haven't received this update. Once you get an official post from OnePlus team regarding this update, I will release separate video with the complete list of eligible devices and their rollout timeline for this SOTA update. So stay tuned to our channel. The new caller ID screen of OxygenOS Dialer with the depth effect of profile photo, in my opinion, is the best feature of this update. I request OnePlus team to provide OnePlus Dialer for all OnePlus devices in coming days, as many users have waiting for it. That's all for today, guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.